And he doesn't know where he is. He's face down. The referee is holding the cap. Naoya Inoue has scored a first round knockout. Brings to an end his involvement of the World Boxing Super Series. But make no mistake, the tournament #2 seed